Hello and welcome students in this short YouTube video session that is purely based for understanding and learning of basics of French. Friends, in this video today I am going to talk about the days of the week in the language of French. So what are you waiting for? Just come up and learn. Friends, first of all, in the language of French there are only 7 days, likewise we have in the other cultures. The first day of the week is always Monday and the weekend is always after Friday, that is Saturday and Sunday. So let us come up with the days. The days in the language of French is used to called up as jour. Speak after me, jour. It may be written here. And once you are talking about the days of the week, you will call up as les jours de la semaine, that is the days of the week. So this is what the technical session is all about. Let us proceed with the day. Lundi is the first day, that is called lundi, Monday. Mardi is the second day, that is called Tuesday. Mercredi is the third day, that is called Wednesday. Jeudi is the fourth day, that is called Thursday. Vendredi is the fifth day, that is called Friday. Samedi is the Saturday and dimanche is the last day, that is Sunday. I repeat: lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. So this is the way the days in the weeks can be pronounced. Kindly follow the link for the other descriptions related to French videos. Till then, enjoy the same and learn French.